Today I'm going to show you how to use Synchrobreathe, the new generation inhaler. If your doctor has prescribed you Synchrobreathe, you simply need to understand how to use it. And we will help you to do just that. All you have to remember is click, click, click. First, shake your Synchrobreathe, keeping the mouthpiece cover closed. Then open it by gently pulling the cover down. And there we have the first click. Exhale as much as you can before you put the Synchrobreathe in your mouth and start breathing slowly and deeply through the mouthpiece. You'll then hear the second click, indicating that the medicine is being released. But keep in mind to continue inhaling even after the second click. When you're done, remove the Synchrobreathe from your mouth. And hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as comfortable, and then breathe out slowly through your nose. After that, close the mouthpiece cover. And that's the final third click. Always remember, after using the inhaler, rinse your mouth with water and make sure you don't swallow it. If you need another puff, follow the same click, click, click process. And that's how easy it is to use Synchrobreathe. All you have to remember is click, click, click. Click to open, click to inhale, click to close. Do consult your doctor on frequency and use.